Welcome to JD's Dale Auto. My name's Jeff. I hope you're all doing well. And this is going to be my entry video to the Drag and Drive group build hosted by Jason at KRD. And if you haven't checked him out, check him out. He does really good work and stuff like that. So, without nothing more to say, let's head to the bench and check out what I'm entering right after the intro. Okay, now, this is my car I'm entering in the Drag and Drive group build. It's the 1968 El Camino Super Sport 125th scale by AMT. So let's get the sucker opened up. I'm sorry, I got my papers in here. Here's the stand it came with, the display for Coca-Cola, which you get, let's see here, you know, like that. And you just see how it's got the background, but we're definitely not using that. Okay, first in the bag is the taillights and the clear glass, which I'm going to leave in the bag. I prefer to do that. I got a bad habit of scratching the glass for some reason. Okay, and the first one is the chrome tree. And here's the custom wheels, which that it came with. Come on, camera focus. Camera don't want to focus for me. But yeah. Here's the original hubcaps, rims, valve covers. Here's the front grille, the back bumper with the taillight housings, rear view mirror, side view mirrors. Okay, now on to the body and chassis. Here's the body, and it's got, ooh, looks like got a bad spot, needs to be sanded down. Not on the other side. We just see it. Let's see here. I can get this to focus. Yeah, I can't get it. This camera does not want to focus at all. There we go. See it? There's a bad spot right there in the front fender that needs sanded down. Let's hope I can get that out. But from flashing on that, it's not bad at all. And does have a vinyl top, all molded in. And tailgate's molded in, so you can't open it. Which in this case, I'm not opening it anyways. I would have glued it shut. But everything else looks pretty good, except for that one spot. Now I haven't decided if I'm gonna do small tire or big tire yet. This is my first drag car I ever built in my life, so this is gonna be interesting and fun. Let's see if I can mess it up. So, or see how many mistakes I can make. But if I want to make a wide body out of it, I would have to cut this part down and add a chassis part. So, okay, enough of the body part. I don't know, you let me know what you think. It would look better with a big tire or small tire. Here's the tires that came with it, which, yeah, I am not using. And there's only 4 tires, so you got either way. You got the red line or you got the Goodyear. So, and they're both printed out pretty good. And like I said, camera does not want to focus one bit. And this, yeah, This camera's bad. There we go. See? Okay. Now, on to the other styrene. And what I like about this kit, though, it's all the pieces are individual. It really is. So here's the interior parts, which are look really good. And you can see it's pretty detailed. There we go. Yeah, it's pretty detailed. So here's the interior tub part. Gas tank. As you can tell, I'm not going through it too well because there's going to be a lot of changes. Like in the rear end, I'm going to change over. The dry shaft, rear pumpkin, housing cover. Exhaust systems definitely didn't change. So, oh, here's the little boxcar with the big old Chevy sign. I'm going to do some of that Chevy sign. I know that much. And steering wheel, yes, it did change to a racing steering wheel. I'm not using the engine that's in it. I know it's a bid block engine, but I was hoping to have plans for a 455 bed block supercharged engine. We'll see how that works out. And we'll check out those. Alright, here's the engine block of this one kit. The heads, the exhaust manifolds, pulley system, fan, alternator, battery, oil pan, firewall, dashboard. And actually, I owned one of these 1968 El Caminos years ago when I was a kid. Matter of fact, I was 17. The guy that I bought it from, the car caught on fire on him, so he changed it over to, he pulled the original engine out of it, put a straight six in it, wired up with a push button, and it had a nasty looking black paint job on it, and picked it up $200. And we took it home. Everything stayed the same except for the paint job. We took it on my dad. He repainted it. It was a metal flake blue. And oh yeah, I love that car, even with the 6-cylinder in it. So, but this one ain't gonna have no 6-cylinder. This one's gonna have the mid block supercharged engine. Here's a rear pan for the bed, which I'll have to cut out for if I go with the bid tire and the tubs. Here's the inner parts of it. So we'll see how that turns out. Here's the inner part of the rear tailgate. Or is it the rear? No, rear pan. I'm sorry. My fault. This is the back of the rear tailgate. And the front suspension system. And the hood, which I'm sure is going to see a lot of changes. Definitely see a lot of changes. Okay, now. Here's the for the display. Yeah, that's for the display. Here's the instructions to the boxcar. Instructions to the car itself, which most likely we're not going to need. It's because all the changes that's going to get made. Here's the axles. And we're going to check out the details. and the Coca-Cola details. Now, details I will use to be the dashboard ones, the SS. But the rest of them, no, I don't see me using it at all. Definitely not. I have my own ideas of what's underlying with it. So, if I get details back in the bag. Okay now. So that's going to be my official video for the Drag and Drive group build. Wish me a lot of luck for being my very first race car. And I'll put this all away and I'll go from there, and I'll be right back. I want to thank you for watching. And like I said, this is my first time doing a race car, drag car, you name it. We'll see what happens. We'll see how it goes. I have a lot of plans for it. We'll just see how the plans turn out and go from there. So this is my official entry, the 1968 Altamino. So we'll hope and pray and see how this turns out. So I want to say thank you to all my subscribers and viewers for all your support. And if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Hit the bell icon for notifications. Smack that like button. Share, all the good things. And comment. I read all my comments. I respond to them as soon as I can. And, from there, let's see how this all goes. See how all this turns out. So, without nothing more to say, I'll see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a good one.